Hello, my friend. My name is Angel Chacon. I am 20 years old. I am from Barranquilla and now I live in Bogota with my family. I study business administration and work as warehouse logistics coordinator. My wife is a loving mother. She likes to write and is writing a book. Her name is Liliana, and she is 28 years old. We got married 9 years ago, and we have two beautiful children. Sebastian, he is 8 years old and is a very intelligent child. Mariana, he is 8 years old and is a very intelligent girl. And my daily life is shared with my family. We go to the park. We visit relatives and we watch movies. I also work, study, and I like to read. I am a fun, respectful, and helpful person. I like to travel, watch movies and video games, and I do like chatting, abuse of authority, and lack of respect. Okay, this was my presentation. Thank you very much. Bye bye.